Students, today I am going to tell you about special cases of equations that are solvable for y. There are two special cases. One is Lagrange's equation, other is Clairaut's equation. I have written here the standard format for Lagrange's equation. What is that? Y equal to x times capital F of p plus small f of p. What does this mean? That there will be a term which has x and some function of p, and there will be another function of p. Then in Clairaut's equation it is y equal to xp plus f of p. So again, if you see these two right hand side, so here it is f of p in Lagrange's equation, whereas in Clairaut's equation it is small p. So in fact fp is common on both the equations. So in fact Clairaut's equation is a particular case of Lagrange's equation. Now there is an example of Lagrange's equation. Y equal to apx plus bp cube. So if you compare the right hand side here with this right hand side, so x is here, x is here. So what is capital F of p in this case? AP plus f of small f of p, that is bp cube. So this is an example of your Lagrange's equation. Now next example is for Clairaut's equation. Y equal to x times dy by dx plus dy by dx whole square. So dy by dx we write as p. So this is xp plus p square. This is equation number 2. Now if you compare the right hand side of equation number 2 with the right hand side of the Clairaut's equation, you can find that xp is common on both the sides, on both the equations, and here small f of p is given as p square. So this is example of Clairaut's equation. Another example is given here. See, p is equal to log of px minus y, and if I remove this log, what do I get? Px minus y is here. So here it will become e to the power p. From here I have taken y here on the left hand side, and rest of the term on the right hand side will give me px minus e to the power p. So y equal to, now this equal to, that is right hand side, compared with the Clairaut's equation, you see px and px are there in on both the sides, on both the equations, and fp is minus e to the power p. So these two are the examples of Clairaut's equation. Now these two forms, Lagrange's form and the Clairaut's form, both are solved by the method used for solvable for y. Now there is something special about Clairaut's equation. So solution of Clairaut's equation can simply be found by replacing small p by small c. Therefore solution of 2 will be given as, now let me see where is 2. So 2 is y equal to xp plus p square. So I replace p by c. So this is xc plus c square. So I have written y equal to cx plus c square. And similarly in equation number 3, y equal to, replace p by c on both the terms. So I get cx minus e to the power c. So the very simple and interesting is Clairaut's solution of Clairaut's equation, that you replace small p by small c. I think I have explained it clearly. If you have any problem, please let me know. Thank you.